take this blue tape off of my windshield. So obviously I got my windshield fixed. I didn't record any of it. So today, y'all, we are going to check out, if y'all remember the LSA G8 that I did maybe a couple of weeks ago, I think. So y'all remember that? His brother has a G8 also that's cam, that's nice, just like his. So we're gonna check that one out. So his is naturally aspirated, obviously, as y'all gonna see. He'll explain his mods, how much he think is making, or how much is making, or whatever. But let's go ahead and get there. So y'all see all three G8s in the background, mine and Fez's. So this is Randall, Fez's brother, and his is a GXP. So we're gonna be doing the same thing like I did in the other video where he's gonna go over his mod. All right, y'all, so this is Randall right here. This is his GXP, and he's gonna go ahead and go over like the mods and everything with his car. Hey man, I got you on the spotlight.
Simple setup. Headers, cam is a F35 cam from Texas Speed Performance. Of course, LS3 as a GXP 6-speed manual with stainless steel, stainless work, 2-inch primary, and 3-inch collectors, 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back with the GXP exhaust. Muffler. Twin clutch from Monster Clutch, twin disc, and coilovers all the way around.
And then intake, that's
the intake, the same one as yours.
Out of Vararam. Yeah, Vararam. I don't know how to say it.
I don't even know.
I say it wrong all the time. Vararam? Oh, somebody's gonna kill me on it because I be saying it wrong all the time.
Yeah. These are adjustable coilovers, so you can drop it. You can even drop it more than what it is right now, or bring it up, of course.
Yeah,
the ride is smooth. I really recommend those shocks.
So like your wheel setup wise, these are, I see you got the Brembos, and then
that's the original. They come with the Brembo in the front. The GXP comes with Brembo in the front, and I would say
the regular brakes.
Yeah, regular in the back.
So it's just like the SS, basically, huh? Just like the SS.
Oh no, actually SS comes with Brembo front and back.
And then you got size 18, 19s, they're 19s, my bad.
19s, 245s all the way around.
I have to get one like that for mine.
And of course, we got Fat Amy.
Fat Amy.
If you ask, it's a Fat 8 G8. Fat Amy, if you don't know, is Fat Amy from Pitch Perfect.
Yeah.
Have you seen that movie?
No, I
Okay. Fat Amy is from Australia. The cars are from Australia. She can sing. This one can sing.
Have you ever got it like dynoed or anything? Or?
Dyno, we got a dyno with stock exhaust. It was a 440. No, sorry, it was a 420 something with the Pat G. And he kept telling me it was a restriction in exhaust. So I went with the 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back.
Yeah.
And at that time I had the Pypes exhaust, which it was choking the whole car with that cam. That cam is very delicate. It has to be things on point. And I haven't got a dyno after that. All I did after the exhaust, we did a pull. I went from what it was to 440, and after that I took the heads to get it ported through Texas Speed, and I haven't got any dyno yet.
2,000. All right, Adam, put that in the video. So I know, man, for me, I know I wish would have came with something like that with the little plastic piece right here. Yeah, I wish it would have came with that. My whatchamacallit would be looking like this. I'm gonna have to make something like that. But this is the first. This is probably the first GXP that I've seen in San Antonio. Besides, I haven't seen Gus one in person, but I know he has one. So this is the first one, and the first one I've seen that's actually a 6-speed. So that's one of the cars almost pretty much rare in a way, because I mean you don't really see it too often. It's probably hard to get one of these too. So do you plan on supercharging it, or you gonna keep it like that?
Stock.
Keep it stock.
Warranty. No, it's debating. Sometimes I want to stroke it.
Yeah.
I want to get it all powered on no motor. Because I don't know.
Hey y'all, so we about to do a ride along in the GXP.
No. Fat Amy.
The Fat Amy, yeah. You only had a GXP, or have you had the GT also? Or?
Only GXP. This is the. I never had a GT.
I'm pretty sure it's just a bigger motor than the GT. So, but how you liked it so far? Like how long you had it? Matter of fact,
I have it. This is like maybe 4 years already.
oh damn, okay.
Yeah, it's 4 years. This one I got it from Dallas.
Yeah.
I had a BMW 550. And I talked to the guy in Dallas, and said I was just looking for a GT actually, but I found these and it says GXP for this price, and it's like, oh no, I have to go check it out. So I went over there, check it out, and the price was right.
Yeah.
I traded in mine with him, BMW, and the guy that sold me this one, he was actually saying, so what's the difference between the GT and the GXP?
Oh, he didn't know?
He didn't know.
Oh, dang.
So I told him.
Probably got a steal on this car, dude. I think I was rolling the window up as he was passing too.
Oh, and the most important thing, don't forget to like, comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah.